Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Many manufacturers view the Middle East and North Africa as a single market, but this is a critical mistake in regulatory strategy. Unlike the European Union's unified system, the MENA region is a complex patchwork of individual national regulations. Understanding this is the first step to success. At the core, most MENA countries, including major markets like Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates, use a familiar risk-based classification system. This system typically has 4 tiers, from low-risk Class A to high-risk Class D, mirroring the international GHTF model. So, a Class 1 surgical instrument in Europe will likely be a Class A or B device in Saudi Arabia. This part is straightforward. The real key to unlocking the MENA market lies in understanding the concept of reference country approval. Regulators like the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, place immense weight on whether your device has already been approved in a specific set of countries. These typically include the USA, Canada, the European Union, Australia, and Japan. Having an FDA 510(k) or a CE mark is not just a plus, it is often a prerequisite for a streamlined registration pathway. For instance, in Saudi Arabia, the Medical Device Marketing Authorization, or MDMA, process changes dramatically based on your reference approvals. A high-risk Class D device with full FDA PMA approval has a clear, albeit rigorous path. However, a device with approval from a non-reference country faces a much longer, more complex, and uncertain journey. A real-world example involves a European company with a Class 2B cardiovascular stent. They had their CE mark and assumed the process in the Gulf would be simple. However, their submission to the SFDA was delayed for months. The reason was that their technical file did not explicitly cross-reference the EU-specific data in the format the SFDA's reviewers expected, and their appointed local authorized representative was not sufficiently experienced to bridge this gap. Similarly, the UAE's Ministry of Health and Prevention has its own nuanced requirements, while they also heavily leverage CE marking and FDA approvals. Their labeling and instruction for use requirements may have subtle differences, often requiring Arabic language components and specific formatting. Failing to address these country-specific details can lead to significant delays and unforeseen costs. In summary, your device's risk class is just the beginning. The crucial element for a successful MENA launch is a strategy built around your existing reference country approvals and a deep, granular understanding of each target market's specific documentation, labeling, and representation requirements. Navigating this landscape requires specialized expertise. For end-to-end regulatory consulting that combines local knowledge with advanced data tools, contact the team at Chen-Global at info@chen-global.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.